Jackfruit, known as the jack of all fruits, is a tropical marvel with enormous potential. Its versatility and abundance make it a prime candidate for agribusiness innovation. But did you know that jackfruit can be transformed into 5 highly profitable products after harvest? Whether you're a farmer, entrepreneur, or someone interested in sustainable agriculture, understanding these jackfruit products can unlock new streams of income and help you make the most out of your harvest. Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, where we explore smart solutions for profitable farming. Let's dive in and discover how to turn jackfruit into 5 lucrative products, maximizing every part of this incredible fruit. First, let's talk about jackfruit chips. Crunchy, tasty, and highly marketable, jackfruit chips are a favorite snack in many regions. To make jackfruit chips, start by selecting mature but unripe jackfruit bulbs. Slice them thinly, soak in salted water, and fry until golden and crispy. For a healthier option, you can bake or air fry the slices. Jackfruit chips are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. They appeal to health-conscious consumers and snack lovers alike. Package them in airtight bags with attractive branding, and you're ready to sell. Local markets, supermarkets, and online platforms can be your sales channels. With the rising demand for exotic and healthy snacks, jackfruit chips offer significant profit margins and scalability. Next, consider jackfruit flour. Gluten-free and nutrient-rich jackfruit flour is gaining popularity as a baking ingredient. To produce jackfruit flour, use the mature, unripe bulbs. After peeling and deseeding, slice and dry the bulbs, either sun-dried or in a dehydrator. Once fully dried, grind them into a fine powder. Jackfruit flour can be used to make bread, cakes, pancakes, and even pasta. It's a great alternative for people with gluten intolerance and those seeking healthier flour options. You can market jackfruit flour to bakeries, health food stores, and online retailers. Highlight its benefits: high fiber, low glycemic index, and unique flavor. With clever packaging, informative labeling, and strategic online marketing, jackfruit flour can become a staple in the health food industry. Our third profitable product is jackfruit seed powder. Don't throw away the seeds, turn them into value. Jackfruit seeds are packed with protein, micronutrients, and resistant starch. To make jackfruit seed powder, wash the seeds, boil them to remove the outer coating, dry them, and grind into a smooth powder. This powder can be used as a nutritional supplement added to smoothies, cereals, or baked goods. It's especially popular among people seeking plant-based proteins. Highlight the health benefits in your marketing, supporting digestion, boosting immunity, and providing energy. You can sell jackfruit seed powder in health stores, gyms, and wellness centers. With the right promotion, this product can command premium prices and build customer loyalty. The fourth profitable product is jackfruit preserves and jams. Jackfruit's natural sweetness and unique flavor make it perfect for preserves. To make jackfruit jam, cook ripe jackfruit bulbs with sugar and a touch of lemon juice. Stir and simmer until thickened, then pour into sterilized jars. You can experiment with flavors by adding spices like cardamom or cinnamon. Jackfruit preserves are a delightful spread for bread, toast, and desserts. They're also popular as gifts and gourmet products. Focus on attractive packaging and labeling to stand out on shelves. Target food lovers, bakeries, and gift shops. Homemade, organic, and artisanal jackfruit jams fetch high prices, especially when marketed as exotic and healthy alternatives. Finally, let's explore jackfruit meat substitutes. As the world moves toward plant-based diets, jackfruit's fibrous texture and mild flavor make it an ideal meat alternative. Young, unripe jackfruit can be shredded and seasoned to mimic pulled pork, chicken, or beef. The process is simple. Boil or steam the jackfruit until tender, then shred and cook with spices and sauces. Pack the seasoned jackfruit in vacuum-sealed bags or jars for retail. This product is in high demand among vegans, vegetarians, and environmentally conscious consumers. You can supply restaurants, cafes, supermarkets, and online stores. Highlight its protein content, fiber, and sustainability in your marketing. With clever recipes and branding, jackfruit meat substitutes can capture a share of the booming plant-based food market. Now that you know the 5 profitable jackfruit products, chips, flour, seed powder, preserves, and meat substitutes, let's discuss some key strategies to maximize your success. Quality is crucial. Always use fresh, healthy jackfruit and maintain hygienic processing conditions. Invest in proper equipment for slicing, drying, grinding, and packaging. Consistency in taste, texture, and appearance helps build brand reputation and customer trust. Branding and marketing are your gateways to profit. Choose a catchy name, design attractive packaging, and highlight the health benefits of jackfruit. Use digital marketing, social media, websites, and online marketplaces to reach a wider audience. Share recipes, usage tips, and customer testimonials to engage buyers. Collaborate with influencers or chefs to showcase your products. Don't forget certifications. Organic, gluten-free, and vegan certifications can boost your credibility and allow you to target premium markets. Register your brand and comply with local food safety regulations. Distribution is key. Start with local markets and gradually scale up. Partner with retail stores, supermarkets, and e-commerce platforms. Exporting is also an option, as jackfruit products are gaining international popularity. Sustainability matters. Use eco-friendly packaging and minimize waste. For example, leftover jackfruit peel can be composted or used as animal feed. Promoting sustainability can attract eco-conscious customers and set you apart from competitors. Continuous innovation keeps your business thriving. Experiment with new flavors, product formats, and packaging designs. Listen to customer feedback and adapt to changing trends. Attend food expos and network with other agribusinesses for inspiration and collaboration. Let's recap the steps for turning jackfruit into 5 profitable products. 1. Harvest mature jackfruit and separate bulbs and seeds. 2. Process bulbs into chips, flour, preserves, and meat substitutes. 3. Process seeds into nutritious powder. 4. Package each product attractively and safely. 5. Market through local and online channels, leveraging health and sustainability trends. 6. Scale up production with improved equipment and expanded distribution. 7. Innovate and diversify your product range to stay ahead. Jackfruit is more than just a fruit. It's a gateway to agribusiness success. By transforming it into chips, flour, seed powder, preserves, and meat substitutes, you can tap into growing markets and boost your income. With smart processing, creative branding, and strategic marketing, every part of the jackfruit can be turned into value. Whether you're a smallholder farmer or a large-scale producer, these 5 jackfruit products offer opportunities to diversify, innovate, and grow your agribusiness. Don't let your harvest go to waste. Unlock its potential, add value, and join the movement towards sustainable and profitable farming. If you found these insights valuable, subscribe to Agri Hub for more smart solutions and profitable ideas. Your journey to agribusiness success starts with one innovative step. Make the most of your jackfruit harvest and watch your profits grow.